How to verify email address on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Discord application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Discord. Now also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and then simply what you need to do is tap on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen and then simply select on the account option. Now what you simply need to do over here, as you can see the email ID, I've already mentioned it, but we need to verify over here. So let's tap on the verify option. So let's tap on recent email, and the verification code has been sent. So we can simply go and check on our email ID over here. So let's just check on the Gmail option, and as we do that, we can simply just refresh the page, and when we refresh the page, we might get the verification option. So tap on it, and you can simply scroll down and tap on verify email. So as you do that, it will take us to a new page over here on the screen, as you can see, and this will help in the verification process. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now as you're done with it, there you go, your email has been verified and you can continue to Discord. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.